Hello everybody, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services, and what we have here is an old Apple hard drive, and we're going to take it apart. This is called something MFM. I don't even know what that stands for, but the interface is SCSI. Apple always liked to use something different. I don't have a way to interface to this computer, to this hard drive. Computer is not working, so we're just going to take it apart. On this old thing, looks like only 4 screws. Ooh. Interesting. This didn't separate, it just tore up. And this is a completely different method of making this thing work. It is using the stepper motor. No such thing exists today. This whole head assembly would be the motor assembly. Have a power cord to turn it on. This one has a lot of dust inside, and there's actually dust on the surface. Holy cow, how imprecise is that? And it does have filters. Even though there are filters, the dust has creeped into the system, so I can see that there was some kind of opening here. So I guess that foam got, it's not solid. Very interesting. Ooh, there's corrosion on there. This thing still works? I mean, I don't know if it works, but that sounds pretty bad. I can see hairs. Wow. It's okay on the outer one because I have turned it on and it was running, but it's not so okay on the inner rim, and I can see the corrosion. I thought it was dust, but no, this is corrosion. I don't think information is recoverable from this thing. In any rate, let's see. Now, once I take this out, the alignment between 2 disks on this hard drive will be off, and data is not going to be recoverable. Quite cool. Even this old tech is high tech. I like it. I think I have to take this screw out. Let's see. So I was ordered to have this data destroyed, so that's what we're doing. Satisfying curiosity as well as destroying data. Once all these alignments are gone, there's just no way that this can be restored to any form. Okay. In fact, all I have to do is like put the disk back in upside down. And it will not be readable. But that's okay. We'll just remove the disks. How interesting. Look, all these things came off. Wow. I did not realize that nothing was holding this on. That's nice. So the stepper motor is on the newer ones that I was working in. There were either used screws or riveted those things in so they wouldn't come off by themselves. And this one is just held by friction. There you have it. That's the old Apple SCSI hard drive. The motor can be taken out. I like this. You can take everything apart. On the new ones you can take it apart, but that would be the last time you did it. Alright, hopefully this helps somebody. Enjoy!